Hello, Lynn here for more natural solution tips. If you have kids or you're just a little accident prone yourself, then you're going to love what I'm sharing today. We're talking about doTERRA's Rescuer Blend, the ultimate roll-on for all those battle wounds that come with just being active. Now, even though this blend was designed for kids, I have to admit adults love it too, and for good reason. It's packed with some of the most powerful essential oils for soothing discomfort, calming nerves, and speeding up recovery. This little roller bottle is like having a first aid kit in your pocket. It's a great one to take to sports games. This blend has in it, Copaiba is a powerhouse oil that helps calm the nervous system and ease discomfort. It has lavender, known for its soothing and relaxing properties, perfect for muscles and tension. It has spearmint. It's a refreshing oil that cools and invigorates tired or sore muscles. Xanthoxylum. I know, it's a mouthful. But did you know this oil actually helps manage pain? And it helps by calming the nerves and reducing stress that can prolong pain. Amazing, right? And of course, all the kids' oils are pre-diluted with fractionated coconut oil, so they're ready to use safely on even the littlest ones. One of the top uses for Rescuer is battle wounds. You know, those scraped knees, stubbed toes, mystery bruises that just seem to appear after a day of play. Apply Rescuer liberally to soothe and ease the pain. Got an athlete in the family? This blend is a game changer for sports injuries. Apply it to sore muscles, joints, and connective tissues 5 times a day on the first day of the injury, and then use as needed on following days. Use it before sports or exercise. Roll it onto legs, arms, and shoulders as a pre-workout prep. Then after sports, use it every couple of hours to reduce the appearance of bruises or bumps, or those sore muscles. Here's a fun bonus. You can even use Rescuer to help with stinky feet. Just roll it on the soles of the feet before school or after sweaty playtime. A few other ways to use Rescuer are Charlie horses. You know, those middle of the night leg cramps, or for growing pains. Perfect for those kiddos that are shooting up like weeds. I always tell them it must hurt to grow that fast, and often it does. For headaches, just roll on the back of the neck and the temples, or wherever the pain is. And beyond physical benefits, Rescuer also has an emotional effect. It's great for helping kids trust their instincts. When they're feeling overwhelmed or uncertain, apply it on the back of the neck and the temples, and it can be a great reminder that they've got this. If you're looking for the best ways to support your family's health with pure, potent CPTG essential oils, be sure to grab my free guide, Mom's Guide to Essential Oils. It's packed with my favorite tips and recipes to help you care for your home and your family without the worry of toxins or expensive drugs with side effects. You'll find the link in the description below. All right, friends, do you already use Rescuer in your home? Let me know in the comment how it's helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with another mom who needs it in her life. I'll see you guys next time.